Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Revival. Revival means improvement in condition or strength of something. For example, a revival in the fortunes of the party. A revival in the fortunes of the party. Synonyms: improvement, rallying, picking up.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The Kurds, for example, are staging a cultural and linguistic revival. Now, repeat after me. The Kurds, for example, are staging a cultural and linguistic revival. The second exempli. Yet it might provide the foundation for a revival in Tory fortunes. Now, repeat after me. Yet it might provide the foundation for a revival in Tory fortunes. The third exempli. A revival of economic strength is, in my view, the most urgent and realistic task. Now, repeat after me. A revival of economic strength is, in my view, the most urgent and realistic task.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.